Hi everyone, most options traders remember their biggest winning trade, but if you ask them which strategy consistently makes them the most money, many can't answer. And that's exactly what happens when you don't track your trades. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple but important steps that can transform random trading into a data-driven process. This trading journal is designed to help you trade both options and stock trades, analyze your performance, and improve your decision making over time. Let's get started. The first step is to have a clear plan before entering a trade. Before placing any position, define your annual profit goals. Start by entering the starting year, and the journal will automatically generate a list of the next 10 years. Then enter the profit target you would like to achieve for each year. Next, enter your starting capital. These 2 numbers help you determine which trading strategies are suitable for your account size and financial goals. For example, depending on your capital and risk tolerance, you might focus on simple strategies such as buying calls and puts, or more advanced strategies like calendar spreads and diagonal spread. You can also create your own list of strategies by entering them under the strategy name column and adding description if needed. The journal includes several customization options as well. For example, you can define a minimum break-even amount. If I enter $50 here, any trade with a profit or loss within $50 will automatically be classified as a break-even trade. You can also customize the drop-down list for entry mindset and exit reason. These fields help you track the psychology side of your trading. By default, you will see options such as long, short, and neutral, but you can easily replace them with your own preferred terms. Before entering a trade, you can use the built-in calculators to evaluate risk and reward. For stocks, simply enter your account values, risk percentage, entry price, stop loss, and target price to calculate your position size and risk-reward ratio. For options, select the strategy you are using and enter details such as the number of contracts, strike price, and net premium. The calculator will automatically estimate your maximum profit, maximum loss, and break-even point. Knowing these numbers before entering a trade helps you manage risk and trade with confidence. Step 2. Log every trade. The second step is to record every trade. Personally, it usually takes me less than 2 minutes to log a trade. Whether you are trading stocks, single leg options, or complete multi-leg strategies, these journals allow you to record everything in a consistent format so you can review and learn from your trades later. Start by entering the trade setup details, enter the trade number, select the trade direction, and choose whether the position is a stock or options trade. Next, enter the sticker symbol and select strategy used. For options trades, enter the strike price, expiration date, and break-even point at expiration. If you are trading stock, you can simply leave those fields blank. The days to expiration column will automatically display the number of days remaining until expiration for open position, while the live price column displays the latest market price of the ticker. Next, complete the open position section. Enter the stop price at entry, entry date, quantity, and entry price. For options trades, enter the premium per contract. Use a negative value if you pay a debit to enter the trade. For stock trades, simply enter the share price. Finally, enter any commission paid when opening the position. After entering the opening trade information, move on to the risk management section. Enter the buying power required for the trade. This is the amount of capital your broker sets aside to maintain the position. Tracking buying power is especially useful for options traders because it helps measure how efficiently your capital is being used to generate returns. Next, enter the maximum profit and maximum loss for the trade, along with the percentage of your account at risk based on your net liquidation value. Having these numbers recorded allows you to review whether your position sizes and risk management are consistent across your trades. As your trading history grows, finding a specific trade can become difficult. To make things easier, use the trade finder at the top of the sheet. Simply select a trade from the drop-down list and the corresponding row will be highlighted automatically. The drop-down displays the trade number, sticker symbol, and strategy, making it easy to locate any trade quickly. Once you have closed a position, enter the closing details, including the stop price at exit, exit date, quantity, and exit price. For options trades, use a negative value if you pay a debit to close the position. For stock trades, simply enter the share price. If you scale out of a position, you can record out to 3 separate exit points. To access the additional exit fields, click the plus icon above column Z to unhide the second and third exit section. Enter any commission paid at exit along with any dividends received while holding the shares. Many option strategies involve rolling position to extend duration, adjust strike prices, or manage risk. For this situation, the journal includes dedicated rolling trade section. To access them, go to column AZ and click the plus icon to unhide the rolling trade columns. A roll consists of closing an existing options position and opening a new one. Under the number of contracts column, enter the number of contracts being rolled, then enter the roll price, new strike price, new expiration date, and net price. The net price should include both the closing transaction and the opening transaction on a per contract basis. You can also enter the total commissions paid for rolling transaction. The net premium column automatically calculates the profit or loss generated from the roll and includes it in the overall trade P&L. The journal supports up to 20 rolling transactions for a single trade. If you are selling options, there is always a possibility of stock assignment. To record stock assignment, go to column EY and click the plus icon to review the stock assignment section. Enter the number of shares assigned to you. If you will assign shares from a short put, enter the purchase date and purchase price under the buy stock section. Once the shares are sold, either manually or through assignment from a covered call, enter the sell date and sell price under the sell stock section. The profit or loss from the stock transaction will automatically be included in the total trade P&L. After the final option leg has been closed and any assigned shares have been sold, simply enter the final exit date and exit price. The trade status will automatically update to close. In addition to recording trade data, you can also track your trading psychology. For each trade, record information such as entry mindset, discipline score, exit reason. Over time, this information can help you identify patterns in your decision making and improve your trading discipline. You can also track account deposits and withdrawal directly within the journal. Simply use a new row and enter a dash in the trade number column. Then enter the transaction date and the amount deposited or withdrawn. For withdrawal, enter the amount as a negative value. The third and arguably the most important step is analyzing your performance. This is where your trading data becomes actionable information. The journal provides multiple reports and dashboards that help you understand what is working and what is not working and where you can improve. The first level of analysis is at individual trade level. The trade analysis section provides detailed statistics for every trade, including days in trade, profit or loss, return on investment, profit or loss per day, cumulative P&L, percentage gain or loss on account, drawdown percentage. These metrics allow you to evaluate each trade objectively and identify patterns in your performance. Next is the monthly report. Select the year and month from the drop-down menus at the top of the page. You can choose to analyze performance based on either entry date or exit date. When entry date is selected, the report includes trades opened during the selected month. When exit date is selected, the report includes trades closed during the selected month. The calendar views provides a daily summary of your performance. Profitable days are displayed in green, while losing days are displayed in red. The account overview summarizes key performance metrics such as win rate, total performance, profit factor. For example, a profit factor of 12 means that for every $1 loss, you generated $12 in profit. The charts provide additional insights into your monthly performance, including trade outcomes, P&L by strategy, P&L by ticker. The table below displays all trades that were opened or closed during the selected month. One of the most powerful features of the journal is the strategy report. This report helps you determine which strategies are consistently generating profits and which strategies may need improvement. Simply select a strategy from the drop-down menu. The tables below display all trades associated with that strategy. The strategy profitability sections includes metrics such as total P&L, ROI percentage, average P&L per day, average time in trade. The performance expectancy section shows win rate, average win, average loss, expectancy per trade. Expectancy measures the average amount you can expect to make or lose every time you execute that strategy. The risk or drawdown sections include largest win, largest loss, maximum consecutive win and losses. This statistic helps you understand both the profitability and volatility of a strategy. The accompanying charts here visualize winning versus losing trades, trade direction, distribution, and P&L PNL by ticker. The strategy statistic page allows you to compare all your strategies side by side. Start by selecting either a specific years or all time, then choose whether you want to analyze performance based on entry date or exit date. The monthly strategy metrics display the profit or loss generated by each strategy for every month of the year. This makes it easy to identify which strategies are performing consistently and which ones are struggling. The performance highlight section automatically identifies your best performing and worst performing strategies for the selected period. The ticker reports works similarly to the strategy report but focuses on individual stock and ETF. Select a ticker symbol from the drop-down menu to generate a detailed report. The table below displays every trade associated with that ticker. You will be able to see performance metrics such as total PNL, ROI, win rate, average trade duration. The PNL by strategy chart shows which strategies have performed best on that particular ticker. This can help you identify whether certain strategies work better on specific stock or ETF. Finally, let's take a look at the dashboard. This is the command center of the entire trading journal. The dashboard provides a complete annual or all-time summary of your trading performance. Select a specific year or choose all-time from the drop-down menu at the top. The dashboard displays key metrics such as account balance, profit goal progress, total PNL, win rate, and return percentage. The profit goal chart shows how close you are to achieving your annual target. The account summary section displays starting balance, net deposits, buying power use, and profit factor. The account statistics section provides deeper insights including average win and loss, largest win and loss, and maximum drawdown. The monthly statistic tables provide a detailed breakdown of your performance throughout the year. For each month, you will see profit and loss, ROI percentage, number of win, loss, and break-even trades. You can switch between entry date and exit date analysis depending on your preference. The charts provide virtual insights into your trading activities including trade performance, account equity growth, drawdown history, monthly PNL, ROI, PNL by strategy, and PNL by ticker. This visualization makes it easy to identify trends, strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities for improvement. The open position section displays up to 12 active trades at a time. You will be able to quickly review important information such as trade number, direction, ticker, strategy, strike price, expiration date, and days to expiration. If you have more than 12 open positions, simply use the page selectors to view additional trades. So that's how you can apply these 3 simple steps using a trading journal. First, plan your trades. Second, record every trade consistently. And third, analyze your performance regularly. By following these 3 steps, you will turn your trading activity into valuable data that helps you make more informed decisions and continuously improve over time. Whether you are beginners just starting out or an experienced trader looking to optimize your performance, keeping a trading journal can be one of the most powerful habits you develop. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you would like to learn more about this trading journal, check out the link in the description or the pinned comment below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading and investing content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.